Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be going to talk about stage 3, which is experiment to insert new records into existing data. So, as you're aware that in the previous video we have talked about adding in a simple initial record and then updating that record. So here we are going to add some new records. So as you can see, I have created a source data. So earlier we have only this record. Now in this video we have added other two records as well. So what I have done is I have displayed the data. So as you can see now we have three rows instead of one. Then I have created a view. After that I have used this command to acknowledge how this looks, and then I have used this complete function. So here, as you can see, that trainee ID is now different. Earlier, the trainee ID for Raksha is 27. Now we have two more records, so the trainee ID will be different. So it will be a condition when the trainee ID will not be matched, and it will insert new records for the same. So now you can see that we have inserted two new records for the same. So I hope the concept is clear. Thank you for watching.